Ginger carrot juice. Eating the right amount of food and following a set diet is quite essential for the functioning of a healthy body. Some food items should be included in our daily diet, while there are a few items that should be avoided by all means. Consumption of fresh fruits and vegetables not only give us the much-needed vitamins, but the natural sugar content in them also maintains the levels of our body. Apart from the fruits and veggies, some juices work great for our body. And one such juice is ginger carrot juice. Ginger carrot juice contains 129 calories to fuel your healthful lifestyle. It offers numerous health benefits because of its nutrient content. Both these veggies have antioxidants and other nutrients. When mixed, they form a great juice. Find out why you should consume ginger carrot juice. Boosts immunity. Ginger carrot juice has both vitamins A and C. Vitamin A makes the changes in your bone marrow by helping stem cells to develop into white blood cells, which destroy diseases causing pathogens. Ginger carrot juice consists of approximately 33,412 vitamin A units, which is your entire daily recommended intake. Each glass of juice also provides you with 15 milligrams of vitamin C, 20% of the recommended daily intake for women and 16% for men. Great for the skin. Carrot ginger juice is great for the skin since the vitamin C found in it boosts collagen production, which helps to heal the wound and keep the skin firm. It also serves as a source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that provides natural protection from the sun's harmful rays. Good for heart health. Carrot ginger juice has several nutrients that are good for the heart. Gingerol present in the juice might help lower your blood pressure, which could, in turn, reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease. The vitamin C in ginger carrot juice also contributes to these beneficial effects, helping to reduce the risk of coronary heart disease and stroke. Protects teeth. Carrot alone is a great medicine that promotes oral health. A glass of carrot ginger juice consumed after a meal removes the stains formed on the teeth. If you constantly suffer from bleeding gums, it's high time you include carrot ginger juice in your diet. Helps with aging. Nutrients found in ginger carrot juice, especially vitamin A, helps in keeping wrinkles at bay and nourishing the skin. These nutrients also help in fighting disorders affecting the skin such as eczema and dermatitis.